It's not hard to come up with a plan to make a few extra bucks. It requires some effort. There are some obvious ways ahead. At the end of the day, it all comes down to your objectives and how much you want to automate your revenue. Could you earn an additional $200 every month? Sure. How about $1,000 more every month? What difference would it make in your life? Most people would notice a significant change. But what if we were talking about hundreds, if not tens of thousands more every month? What impact would it have on your life? Clearly, you can earn real money with simply a computer and an internet connection. All you have to do is determine how much of your time it is worth. And depending on your skill set, remote employment may easily earn you a few $100s or perhaps a few $1,000s each month. In this video, we've rounded up the 12 real ways to make money fast. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start with Number 12, social media administration. Social media management is an excellent way to earn money from home. Businesses are scrambling to get in front of prospects as social media grows in popularity. Most firms, however, have no idea how to boost their visibility. This is when you come into play. Building a social media management firm takes time and work, but is well worth it. You might charge each firm a significant monthly fee to handle their social media, enabling you to generate a full-time income from this service. Liz Benny, the creator of 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞, not only built one of the biggest and most well-known social media management companies in the world, but she also generated many seven-figure webinars, teaching others how to build their own social media management firm. Number 11, organize webinars. I've grown fascinated with using webinars to sell. Building automated webinars is one of the most helpful abilities you can have, as shown by entrepreneur Jason Fladlien, who has made $100 million in sales via webinars by selling other people's goods rather than his own. Webinars have a set structure and format. They follow a pattern. If you can master that formula, you can literally rule this market. Find an excellent concept or opportunity that you can sell and that provides a lot of value. Number 10, build a side hustle business. There are several profitable side hustle business ideas that you can simply start from the comfort of your own home. While establishing them is simple, really putting in the effort to advertise and develop such enterprises is more difficult. The difficult thing is seeing them through. You might start a standard company selling someone else's items, or you could create your own. While enterprises based on innovations may seem more difficult to establish, they can provide appealing investment prospects as represented in popular series, such as Shark Tank. Number 9, start a blog. Blogs are one of the best ways to generate passive income while traveling the world as a freelance writer. While creating a blog is straightforward, you must put in the time and effort to enjoy the rewards of your blog entries. Plant the seeds now to reap the benefits later. However, once your blog is up and running, earning money and growing your offering as a company owner is simple. Simply create more content and make more offers. As the popularity of your blog rises, you'll be able to recruit great talent ready to write for you in return for a single strong link back to their own websites. Number 8, trade cryptocurrency. Our money changes in parallel with the digital world. What seemed to be a curiosity yesterday will eventually become the chosen means of exchange for decent money. According to Gallup research, 10% of consumers picked cash as their preferred payment option in 2016. This is down from 19% in 2011. While Bitcoin is still in its early stages, it will eventually become the norm. Although Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most popular cryptocurrency platforms today, the US dollar will ultimately become the digital dollar by harnessing blockchain technology. You may take advantage of the current cryptocurrency surge by trading it on sites such as eToro and Kraken, among many others. Number 7, online tutoring. Websites such as Schooly, TutorMe, and Tutor.com provide tools for getting started in the online tutoring industry. While you are not required to utilize one of these platforms, they do give a lower friction entry point into the industry. You might also look for online tutoring jobs on other websites such as Upwork, Freelancer, and others. What subjects can you instruct in an online course? If you're multilingual, you might be able to tutor a topic like math or science while simultaneously teaching a language like an English online course. You might also teach musical instruments such as the guitar or piano, as well as a variety of other subjects. Number 6, sell services on Fiverr. Since its beginning, Fiverr has expanded substantially. Today, it's a massive freelancing marketplace where you can sell almost any service under the sun. This is ideal if you want to generate money online as a digital nomad or even while sitting at home in your pajamas in front of your laptop. What exactly can you sell on Fiverr? Graphics and design services, digital marketing, freelance writing and translation services, video and animation services, music and audio, programming and application development, business services, and leisure services such as celebrity impressions and gaming are all available. Number 5, build sales funnels. Every successful firm has a sales funnel that is automated. Despite this, many organizations are utterly ignorant of the value of a well-designed funnel. Sales funnels help to automate the sales process. They assist you in developing a connection with your audience and a link with the customer. There are several tools available for creating a sales funnel, but the world's most successful organizations often use custom-coded funnels. Expert sales funnels often begin with a free gift, also known as a lead magnet. You build trust with the customer by providing value in the lead magnet. In the next phase, you often discover a self-liquidating offer or a tripwire. These are hard-to-pass-up offers, frequently ranging from $7 to $47. The front-end offer is frequently placed above that, coupled with one-time incentives to assist in increasing the customer's lifetime value and average cart value. While there are many technical nuances to sales funnels, knowing them right now might put you on the road to a better level of internet marketing proficiency. It will also assist you in scaling your company by improving your conversion rate and then simply increasing your ad expenditure. Number 4, rent out your property. Renting out your property is another way to generate income from your home. Vacation rentals have become a big sector thanks to Airbnb. While the market existed prior to Airbnb's introduction, it has surely expanded by leaps and bounds since then. Airbnb acquired luxury vacation rental provider Luxury Retreats in 2017, and other market consolidations have occurred with leading sites such as Invited Homes' acquisition of PPG Rentals and Season Dreams platforms, and Expedia's $3.9 billion acquisition of another vacation rental giant, HomeAway. The market is growing, and now is the time to get in, no matter how large or small your house or condo it is. Number 3, launch an e-commerce site. E-commerce is exploding. While Amazon has the lion's share, customers are purchasing in droves when amazing deals are available. In reality, some of the most successful internet marketers like Neil Patel, Frank Kern, Dean Graziosi, David Sharp, John Reese, and others are making tiny fortunes using free plus shipping e-commerce and book funnels. This is related to the use of sales funnels in an e-commerce setting. Indeed, most of what consumers believe about conventional e-commerce sites requiring months or even years to create and costing a small fortune is just false. Number 2, sell stuff on eBay or Craigslist. A sizable portion of our population earns a living by selling stuff on Craigslist and eBay. You may accomplish this by selling your own products or by assisting others in selling their items and earning a modest fee. Selling on eBay is more difficult than selling on Craigslist, and you'll need to have a good reputation before you can start selling high-ticket items. However, eBay offers seller materials to assist you in getting started selling on the marketplace. Take the time to investigate the platform and do your homework. If you already have some excellent internet marketing abilities, this will be a lot simpler than if you are completely new to the field of digital marketing. Number 1, work as a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you may make money from home by assisting others with their chores. If you're well organized and have good time management skills, being a virtual assistant is a low-friction entry point into the digital services market. No matter where you reside, you may effortlessly do these responsibilities using remote work. Finding a remote job as a virtual assistant is simple, thanks to websites such as Upwork, Indeed.com, and Remote.co. Create bids by searching for existing job posts. Effective communication skills as well as proficiency in English and major online and commercial software tools are required. This wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, give us big thumbs, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming interesting videos.